Hey guys, I want to talk about this 3D printer I just purchased. It's the PS1 by Bambu, and it's amazing. Going from an Ender 3 printer, I have an Ender 3 version 2 and an Ender 3 Pro. I can tell you the amount of filament I've lost trying to calibrate that thing. And once you get it calibrated, you're always afraid it's going to drift off. The prints were never 100% like perfect. And I feel pretty confident that they've improved the technology since then with this new brand and model. And they just packaged everything that you need. I mean, I literally thrown ABS filaments. I've thrown PETG, which used to string crazy. ABS used to like clog up because it wasn't hot enough or what have you. It's just one thing after another with the Ender, and this thing is just amazing. Let me show you, hit and play here. You can get a camera view of what's happening. That's a huge plus because if something messes up, you can stop right there. And that's cleaning the nozzle. Down at the very bottom, I have an AMS, which basically means that you can put up to 4 colors. This machine can accept up to 8 if I get a second AMS. But you have 4 colors there, and you can change those colors up and the type. So you can see that the red one I have is PLA, the white one is ABS, and I do that for strong stuff I need to make. And I have a bunch of ABS because we didn't realize when we bought these machines at the very beginning 4 or 5 years ago that the ABS was going to be difficult to print on. It turns out most people print on PLA. So if you're going to do some type of strong plastic project, that's the way to go. It does get smelly. That's part of ABS. So just keep that in mind that you got to have some ventilation. What else? The models can all be printed from your phone too. So if you need to print something, you can literally just click on any object, hit prepare to print, and send it to the computer or to the printer automatically. As long as you have somebody there to move the object, you should be fine. Because that's the only thing you can't remove unless there's a robot in the house to open the door and remove the object. So I'll have my kids move it and then begin printing the next project. So it's such a beautiful situation using these systems. I'm really proud of this purchase. I got it at the Christmas special discount, and just wanted to share that with you guys. That if you're gonna get into 3D printing and you want to avoid the headaches that I went through, get yourself a Bambu.